Tuning your new phone like a pro. Introduction, setting the stage. Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about a very important thing, setting up your brand new smartphone. Getting a new phone is exciting, but a little preparation can make the experience much better. Essential initial checklist. First things first, the essential checklist. As soon as you switch it on, you must log in with your Google ID or Apple ID. This is your digital key. After that, immediately check for any system updates. A fresh phone needs its latest software, haan. Deleting bloatware. Next, let's look at a bit of cleaning. Many phones come with pre-installed apps that you may not use. We call this bloatware. Take a moment to uninstall or simply disable these unnecessary applications. This frees up crucial space and memory. Maximizing display smoothness. Now, let's make your phone look and feel smooth. Head to the display settings. If your phone supports it, set the display refresh rate to the highest option, like 120 Hz. You'll instantly see the difference in scrolling. Everything will be super fluid. Eye comfort and dark mode. While you are there, enable adaptive or auto brightness. This makes the screen automatically adjust to the light around you. It's easy on the eyes and saves battery life, which is a big deal for all of us. Also, try out the dark theme. Many people love that look. Managing app permissions. Security and privacy are next on our list. When you download an app, it often asks for access, like to your location or microphone. Be very careful and only grant necessary permissions. Don't just click allow without reading. Limiting background activity. For those apps you don't use much, you can also limit their background activity. This stops them from running in the background and draining your battery without you even knowing. It's all about control, boss. Creating a clean home screen. Let's talk about the home screen. A cluttered home screen is confusing. Remove all the extra app shortcuts and those large, distracting widgets. Think of it as your digital desk. Keep it clean and organized. Organizing with folders. Organize your remaining apps into folders. Grouping similar apps, like social media or banking, makes finding them much faster. Place your most used apps on the main screen for quick access, simple and efficient. Setting up security. Finally, don't forget to set up your preferred security method, whether it's a PIN, fingerprint, or face recognition. Keep your data safe. This simple one-time effort is worth all the peace of mind. Conclusion: optimized device. So, by following these simple steps, you have tuned your new phone like a pro. It's now clutter-free, optimized for performance, and ready for you to use. Happy smartphoning!